Hey y'all, it's SimplyShakeila, the Southern Belle Bombshell. Stay tuned to see what products and tools I use to achieve these wine curls. I'm going to use this Kera Silk and Seal Spray. This is a heat protectant, revitalizes hair's natural sheen, protects during thermal styling, eases wet combing, seals cuticle to prevent moisture loss, protects hair from ultraviolet damage, and combats humidity. This is my favorite. I've been using it for years. I absolutely love it. Can't live my life without it. And it just makes my hair so soft. Oh my God, I love it. So I'm going to take my Paul Mitchell Invisiblewear Orbit hairspray. I love this. It's a dry finish, a natural holds. Flip it, turn it, or spray it any way you like for a natural hold whenever you need it. Get 360 volume, tame flyaways, and hold your style with beautiful brushability. The fine layerable mist resists humidity, fights frizz without feeling stiff or crunchy. So that's why I really like this. It's lightweight, it gets the job done, and it does have a brushable hold. So it's not super stiff. It smells good too. It kind of holds it in place. Lift it at the roots and spray, girl. Like the flat iron curls that I did for New Year's, I sprayed this afterwards. And after I combed it and brushed it, my hair was not stiff. It was not weighed down. It didn't have any residue or anything. Love this spray. This is like a staple in my collection. So yeah, these are my wand curls using the Pretty in a Minute curling wand, the medium sized barrel, and of course my Kera Silk and Seal spray. Absolutely love this, a staple in my collection. I don't blow dry, flat iron, or do any heat styling without this. I just love it for my hair personally. I use it before I blow dry, so I definitely use it on wet hair and dry hair, and I love it. Like, I've been using it for years, and I need this in my life because I love Kera products. So yeah, girl, these are the curls for the girls for today. I'm really loving it, and I'm really feeling my makeup as well. So yeah, this is the final look. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.